Hello everyone, welcome to TechPesta. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Meet web app on Windows 11. Some people would like to install the Google Meet on their computer. Google Meet doesn't have any app for Windows computer, but you can install the Google Meet web app by using Google Chrome browser. This will be helpful for a faster way to access the Google Meet from your computer. Let's learn how you can set up this. So first you have to open the Google Meet in your Google Chrome browser, then go to more icons, then you have to go to more tools, select the create shortcut. This will be open the create shortcut confirmation window. Then you have to select the open as a window checkbox. Then you have to click on the create button. Now it will be added the shortcut in your computer desktop. Now you can check it out, the Google Meet shortcut added in your desktop. So you have to click on that. It will be open the separate window. Now you can access the Google Meet without any issues. This will be work like a separate app, so you can access the Google Meet hassle free. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.